Got the next great business idea? You've developed that business plan, and the thought of getting started is burning a hole in your brain? Let's make it happen. Making it official has numerous benefits, including asset protection, which can protect things you own like your home, securing credit for loans for needed supplies, materials, operating capital, office space, etc. Let's get you started on how to register, get set up, and become legit. First, choose your business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor, partnership, LLC, or corporation? Each has its pros and cons. Check with legal counsel and your tax professional to see which works best for you. There are great resources online where you can set up a company with details on the various structures right at your fingertips. This can save you lots of startup cash. Next, pick a unique business name. Before you start putting it to use though, first check your local and state registries and the United States Trademark Office database to avoid conflicts. Even if someone used a name in the past, you still may be able to use it. So don't immediately dismiss that name you love for your business. Now file the necessary business formation documents with your state's Secretary of State office. Different structures work best depending on what you want to do. There are varying costs and tax procedures to follow based on what you choose. The application steps are listed on the various state websites. Also, an employer identification number, also known as an EIN, is needed for tax purposes and hiring employees. You can apply for one free through the IRS website. You can file all the needed documents online from the comfort of your home. Next, check which business licenses and permits are required for your industry and location. This can generally be done by calling the local city or county business office for the needed information. Ensure you're registered for income tax, sales tax if required, and payroll tax if you have employees. If you are considering hiring on an as-needed basis to begin, you can provide project-based employees with a Form 1099. The documentation for payment of services rendered is a good thing to have. More importantly, there are tax advantages available to you for doing this. Finally, open a business bank account to keep your finances organized and build business credit. You can get a debit card and track your expenses more easily. Putting business earnings in your personal account can cause problems. They have great programs and incentives at your local bank or credit union. There are also online banks now that you can choose from. Also, you may want to consider getting business insurance to protect yourself. Reach out to a local insurance agent and they will be happy to assist you. Some opportunities, like setting up at a flea market or state fair for instance, will require you have business insurance. Thankfully, they have online broker platforms where you can buy it, which makes things a lot easier for you. Just as a heads up on business insurance though, some clients may require that you have, say, $1 million of liability insurance. Don't worry though, it doesn't cost $1 million to get it. It can often be no more cost per month than a family outing to your favorite burger restaurant. It's a good thing to have regardless. And that's it. You're official. Remember, the SBA, the Small Business Association, can provide great info on what resources are out there. So check it out. Marketing, social media, networking, websites, etc. are all next steps for growing your business. But getting set up is a great start. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to starting a successful business. Remember, these are general steps that most states require. However, be sure to check your local rules and regulations for what you are planning to do specifically. Don't forget to like and subscribe to NPRT Advisors for more business tips.